Guys, so in today's video I am going to go through my skincare process that I use. I just put the glasses on because they were cute, but yeah, we're going to do it actually while we're on camera, except the washing of our face. Yeah, because we already did that. And I didn't bring a toner with me. Oh, we're going to use this toner since the other toner I use is in the bathroom. Look, don't judge, okay? But depending on what my face, if I had makeup on or not, depends on how many times I wash it. So also, I don't wash my face twice a day all the time because a lot of times I'm in the house. So when I'm in the house, lazy days, I'm not washing my face twice because I'm not going outside in the elements. I'll just wash my face once a day. And it still works for me. You know, to each his own, but that's what I do. So I've actually been using this cleanser here to clean my brushes. Yeah, but I use this one today, and I'll use this one as well. And this is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. Now, I don't see the foaming effect, but I guess my foam and their foam is different, but it does really clean your skin, and it makes it feel nice. This one makes your skin feel nice as well. This is Butter Cleanser. It cleanses, removes unwanted impurities while enriching essential oils and maintaining skin's natural pH. So, either cleanser. I'm not big on cleansers, so I switch cleansers. Whatever I have, that's what I use. I don't have a set brand that I use or process. You know, some people like, this is the cleanser that I use and it's my staple. I don't have a staple. I use what I got. I will stick with a toner for the most part until I use it. Sometimes I do switch between two, and then there are some times that I'll use more than one toner because I have problems. Which I'll use one that I can use with a pad, which I have in the bathroom, and then I'll spray something like this on top as well, depending on how I feel. But the one I have in the bathroom, you use a cotton pad with it. But this is the Dr. Brandt Antioxidant Spray Toner with green tea and white tea extracts. Now, I have used this before. Actually, I used up the last bottle that I did have. So, whew. Then I might have overdid it. But yeah, that is that one, since we do like to tone our face. There are days that I do forget to tone, but I will do everything else because I'm so used to just doing the steps. Or like if I'm not thinking because I'm trying to get out the door, I'll miss the toning part. And if I miss that, I miss it. Like, I'm not going to trip out about it. I'll just continue to do my process because I done already missed it. Now that the toner is on, I do believe in using multiple serums. I don't know if it's right or not, but I use multiple serums. So the two that I am going through right now is the Ordinary, and this is the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. And it says high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. I use this one here. I don't know what to say about it. Like, my skin is still my skin. Now, I will be honest, there are days that I skip on doing skincare, period. Yeah, there are just days that I skip on doing skincare, period. And then I do get acne based off of, my acne varies. So there are times that I get acne, like bad acne, if I'm dealing with emotional things and I just keep it aside and a bottle up. So I have emotional acne. I have hormonal acne. Now, my hormonal acne are usually like the big ones that come, but whatever. And then I have the acne based off of the sugar that I eat. And I think a lot of my sugar acne are the acne that comes around this part of my face. Close, I guess, because I'm eating it and that's just where it's going to be. A pain, okay? A pain. Anyways, so I use this one. This is the one I use first. And then I go in, use the Malin and Goetz. I don't know. But this is the Resurfing Face Serum. And this has 8% AHAs plus 2% 3-0- ethyl acid dash FS10701. Oh, look, I don't know. But I use both of these, okay? I use both of these. Now, there are times that I'll take it and I'll do that. And there are times that I'll put it on my hand and put it on my hand and then do it around my face. So, it just depends on how I feel. But either way, let's be honest, I still do that process. And I try to make, I put it all over my face. Not really my eyelids, but I will put it under my eyes. Probably shouldn't, but I do it anyway. This one I do. The other one, I really don't try to put it under my eyes because that one does have a tingling sensation to it, and more so, actually it's more so of a little stinging sensation. It's not empowering or bad. It's not empowering or overbearing to where like, oh my god, my skin's gonna fall off and I can't use it. But it does. And I just assume that's the ascorbic acid in it, but it may not be. I'm not an esthetician or a dermatologist, so I just do what I do what I want. I just do what I want. So I go in and I do the same thing, and because it's mine, I put it on my face. Nobody else's uses my products but me. Now I will make sure I put it on the outer portion of my eyes because look, I'm getting old, so y'all know I have lines and lines and lines and lines and lines, okay? Now, I don't ever really see or notice the lines and stuff that I have until I put makeup on my face, okay? Until I put makeup on my face. So, yeah. I was watching, it was a video on Instagram, and the person, now on top of that, I do put a, this is a Soothe Paste, Lord, blemish treatment with salicylic acid and prebiotic, and this is from Beauty Bay. Tackles breakouts and de-stressed skin for all skin types. I do use this on my acne spots, and so I more so just tap it in my skin, and I do the tapping motion instead of rubbing it in because it just looks better. Like, you see how it just goes away doing it this way, but if I, where's this one, go on doing it this way, it just gives you a cast. I don't know why. And I don't, yeah. But that's what happens. And it's just easier doing it this way. It's less stressful to me, just tapping it in like that. This more so, it's not, this was a pimple, or I don't know, it was a pimple. We're just going to say it was acne. It was a pimple. And it was a nice size one. And it was under the skin, like under the skin hard. So at this point it's gone, but that basically is a blemish from it, and prayerfully it will go away. If look, at this point, if it doesn't, it doesn't. Like, I try not to stress over things like that anymore. So I know I just felt something. Oh, there you go. Y'all stop playing with me today. So, and I probably should wait in between doing this stuff, but and there are times that I actually do wait between the process of me doing it. Oh Lord, I need to get a ring and put it back in my nose before I start closing up. And you would think because I had it for as long as I did, and I just do upper part of my lip, all of it, because I am prone to get acne above my lip. Why? Once again, more than likely, because I eat stuff and drink stuff I'm not supposed to. And also, I was thinking yesterday, I don't drink water, just plain water by itself. Like, I drink tea. I drink a lot of hot tea. I've been drinking a lot of hot tea at least like 4 times a week. About 3 or 4 cups. In the sitting that I'm eating. So so the sugar intake on that itself is terrible as well, because I use sugar and honey. Yeah, I use sugar and honey to sweeten it. And it's not even really sweeten it, because the tea that they use is black tea, and I don't think black tea tastes good by itself. So I do honey in it along with lemon to adjust the taste of it. But I do sugar, like a lot of it. So that is that. Then I go in with an eye cream. Now, what I was saying is, I saw on a TikTok where this person was saying that you do the eye cream on top of your moisturizer. I think that's during the day. But my routine is I put it on under my moisturizer. Yeah, I put it on under my moisturizer. I don't know if either one matters, but it just works for me. So now there are times that I can get carried away with the moisturizer, okay, with the eye cream. There are times. And then I'll take the excess, or just like a tiny bit, and do the top part of my eyelid. I don't have any issues with it. It doesn't break out my skin or irritate my eyelids. But the reason why I do moisturize my eyelids or put something on my eyelids is because when I do eye makeup and put a primer down or eye base, my eyelid looks dry, like really, really dry, and I don't like it. And because it looks dry, I just feel like it's dry, so that's investment debt. Okay, I just make sure, or try to make sure, that I put moisture on my eyelid. So that's just a personal thing. I know that they say don't put moisturizers or eye creams on your eyelid unless it says like 360 or something on it. I ain't never seen, and I know that's not the right grammar, I have never seen an eye cream that had 360 on it at all. Now, if an eye cream gives me a sensation of something under my eye, I won't put it on my eyelids. But if it don't give me no type of sensation, anything on my eye, under my eye, I put it right on my eyelid. Right on my eyelid. Also, it's just me, but my thing is, if this is for age defense eye cream, I put it in my smile lines too. I don't know if it does anything, but I do it. Now, like I said, you can't really see the stuff without me wearing makeup. But by the time I do a face or put makeup on, I notice it once the makeup has been sitting for a while. So, and I get a line, one of these sides, it will crease. So, it is what it is. Like, I smile and stuff, so it is what it is at this point. So, do that. And then, I will go in with, at nighttime, if I'm doing this at nighttime, I use the Derma Hydrating Night Cream. Has hyaluronic acid in it. This is a thick cream. So I see why it is done at nighttime, especially for me, because y'all know my face will sweat. So this is what I use at night. And then, let's read the back, sorry. I will use whatever I have during the day, okay? It's whatever I have in the bathroom during the day, I will use. But this one here is the Calioi, or ma'am, I don't know, but that's what I would use. This is one of the ones I would use, and this is whipped moisturizing cream for normal to dry skin. And then I know I should use this, but this sometimes would give a cast, and sometimes it would just make my face, you know, once it dries, it'll just, if I touch it, it just kind of peel off. I don't like that look. So, yeah, but maybe I probably, we'll put it on under our moisturizer and see what that does. Probably nothing. Who knows? But if I know I am going to wear foundation, I can wear this as well. I don't really do SPF on my face. I know I should, but I really don't. I gotta do better. And it could just be that it doesn't agree with the moisturizer or something that I put on my face, which is why it does that as well. So I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. But let's go ahead and to this. Okay. Okay, that is done. And then we're going to put the moisturizer on top. I wonder if it really matters. I'm about to look that up. But I do sunscreen on top of moisturizer. This one is very thin, like really, really thin. I know it says whipped, but this is really, really thin. Okay, yeah, so I won't do that again. I will put it makes a difference. We're gonna see it makes a difference, okay? We're gonna see it makes a difference. But that is it with my skincare process. And I would say more than likely it takes as much time, if not longer, because it will take actually longer because I'll wait in between applying things. Like, I'll consciously wait at least 30 seconds to like a minute or two. And sometimes if I leave the bathroom to go do something, it might be 5 to 15 minutes in between this. Hey. But yeah, that is it. And honestly, I really do like how my face looks when I, ow. Ooh. Don't do that. When I, what was I saying? Dang that bit. When I